Coral reefs. Introduction. Earth's tropical oceans contain places of wonder and beauty known as coral reefs. They live undersea communities are home to thousands of living things. Day and night, animals hunt, eat, and avoid being eaten. They depend on each other for food, shelter, and safety. Almost one fourth of all ocean plants and animals live around coral reefs. Fish, sea turtles, sea stars, and many other animals make reefs their home. Victory visitors include seabirds and dolphins. What is coral? At first glance, coral may look like oddly shaped rocks or plants. Coral are actually tiny animals called polyps. Most polyps are smaller than a pea. One branch or mound of coral can have thousands of polyps. Each polyp has a tube-like body and a mouth with tiny tentacles. Polyps are eating machines. At night, they open their tentacles to catch tiny animals. Hundreds of kinds of corals live in the ocean. Most are, are one of two kinds. Hard corals, also known as stony corals, form hard skeletons. Over time, many millions of these hard skeletons build up and form reefs. Most stony corals live together with algae a simple cousin of plants. They supply food for coral and for many rare fish. Soft corals can bend with the currents. They often look like trees, grasses, or other plants. Algae live in the body of some but not all soft corals, a busy underwater community. Most people think of brightly colored, colored fish when they think about coral reefs, and with good reason. Thousands of kinds of fish live on reefs. The reefs provide them with food. Reefs also protect them for animals that hunt them for food. Shrimp, lobster, and crabs also find food at reefs. Sea stars catch small fish that hide among the coral branches. Sea anemones, which look like flowers, wait for their next meal for drifts past coral reefs spot thousands of kinds of living things. They are important in other ways too. Reefs help protect coasts from storm and flood. By keeping soil in place, they protect coasts from erosion. Coral reefs also feed and shelter animals that provide much of the world's seafood. They help many countries bring in money and have food to eat. Also, reef plants and animals are used in medicine. What are coral reefs? Where are coral reefs? Most reefs are close to shore in warm tropical waters. They also form where warm currents flow from the tropics. such as in Florida. Coral grows best in warm water that is between 21 and 29 degrees Celsius. Since algae need sunlight to make food, most coral live near the water surface. There are three kinds of coral reefs: flying reefs or close to shore. They usually follow the natural shoreline or fringe of the land. Barrier reefs have a large deep area of water between them and the shore. The world's largest barrier reef is the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. It is 2,300 kilometers long. The Great Barrier Reef is made up of over 3,000 separate reefs and islands. It is to nearly 2,000 kinds of fish, although the third type of the third type of reef are shaped like circles. They form around the outside of an old sinking island or island volcano. Over time, the island sinks or the volcano breaks apart. Then a small body of water called lagoon forms in the center. Dangers to coral reefs. Coral reefs are fragile and many things can damage them. Large, powerful tsunami waves can break reefs. Most dangerous is caused by people. However, many scientists think that pollution is partly to blame for coral disease. This disease can wipe out a coral reef in weeks. Warmer ocean water due to global warming also plays a part. Another problem known as bleaching also results from ocean water getting too warm. When this happens, the algae in coral polyps change in a way that harms to polyps to stay safe. The polyps get rid of the algae. Since the algae are their main source of food, they begin to starve. They also lose their colors, which make them look like bleach. Corals can sometimes recover from bleaching, but if the cost of bleaching continues, both the corals and the reefs will die. Bleaching now affects three-fourths of coral reefs. Because of human activities, Earth's ocean also contains so much carbon dioxide. The extra carbon dioxide makes ocean water more acidic. As a result, corals can take in a certain chemical that keeps their skeleton healthy. Without it, their skeletons dissolve. People are harming coral reefs in other ways too. Fishing methods that use poisons and explosives have destroyed over half the reef in the Philippines. Building along coast cause soil erosion and pollution. Another danger is breaking up chunks of coral reefs by accident or on purpose.